Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a background on post when you say something on story. So this is the very simple method. First of all, we will go to add a story, just select the relevant picture. Now we will resize this picture. You can also swipe and change the background. Now we will click and add one more picture. Just we select this picture. Now both pictures are selected, so you can adjust them according to your choice. You can also add multiple pictures on your background. Even you can make a collage, like we will add one more picture, like we select this one. You can also design it more beautifully with background. You can also change the filter option. So in this way you can post a beautiful story on your Instagram. Just click on share button.